Hey guys, Naturally Marked here. Welcome back to my channel. Before we get into this video, I see you see me, so I want to see you. Press subscribe and become part of the fam bam. Hey guys, welcome back to the last series of this video of how I safely style my hair now that it's going through post-COVID shedding. What I just showed you was my own DIY leave-in conditioner slash styler. So my hair is thoroughly washed out, it's clean. I did put my DIY leave-in conditioner in my hair before I got out of the shower because I still do have low porosity hair. You guys, my background, I did not make my bed, so whatever. But yeah, you guys, that's what's in my hair right now. It's my own DIY leave-in conditioner. So I'm just showing you guys what my hair looks like. You can see that it looks a little stringy down towards the bottom of my hair, but I think that's just the thinning of it all. Like, I don't even know how to fully explain it. I really don't want to cut my hair right now just because I haven't assessed the whole situation, if you guys understand what I'm saying. Like, I'm just not going to take scissors to my hair not knowing exactly what's going on fully. This is my DIY oil. I don't know why I put it in this little cup, but it is my DIY oil. But you guys, my hair is thoroughly washed out. It's clean. Like I said before in the other videos, the short pieces are from postpartum shedding that's growing back, and the thinning looking ends are from COVID taking out my hair. So what I like to do is pretty much start out on freshly washed hair. This is my wash and go. I'm making sure that my hair is still finger detangled or detangled enough, not finger detangled because I've been using combs this whole time, but I want to make sure that my hair is still thoroughly detangled. And then I start rolling my hair, like the length or the side of my hair. Like, I start rolling it on itself, but I wanted to try to make my part a little bit cleaner than what it was. I was like, nah, you can do better. You can do a little better. You guys know that I cannot style my hair. Like, I am not the best person at styling my hair. And here I am looking at my scalp weird. Like, do I look like I lost a couple of hair follicles, or like my hair, like it just looked weird when I was parting my hair. But I roll my hair on itself. I don't know if you would call this a French roll, a flat twist. I don't think it's a flat twist because I'm not necessarily grabbing hair and making it connect from one section. Like, I don't even know how to fully explain what a flat twist is, but you guys see I'm just rolling the hair and pulling the hair from behind it. I'm not making a rope look. It's more of a old school French roll look. So that's what I like to do for the front of my hair. The reason why is because it's very low manipulated on the front of my hair. I'm not pulling it really tight, and it also tucks away my short pieces. Like, they will be flyaways, or it will look really raggedy if I didn't roll down the front of my hair. Like, if I would have just tried to put my hair in a low bun, it wouldn't look right because I would have so many flyaways along the edges of my hair from postpartum shedding. So this is what I've been doing to my hair since postpartum shedding. Like 5 months after I had my baby, I had mini braids in. I took my mini braids out, and that's when all of my hair came out. Then the same thing pretty much happened from the COVID shedding. I had COVID, and then 2 months later, because I had mini braids in my head, I started noticing that the shed hairs were coming out. And then that last month, I had my hair up for 3 months, I decided to take out my braids, and then I noticed my hair, all of it came out. So this is what I do to protect my edges, and then I put my hair in a very low bun. I'm not doing this bun anymore, just being 100% honest with you guys, only because my bun don't fully dry. Like, I'm still very low low porosity, and I really have a hard time getting my hair dry, like my bun dry. So if you guys see, like, I roll my bun on itself and then I put like a hair tie on my hair, and this keeps my bun wet the entire time, you guys. So it's very difficult for me to get my hair dry when it's in a low bun like this. So I'm not doing this bun anymore. What I'm doing is keeping my hair separated down the middle and putting it in two big braids or two twists. I will have a video on that later, but it's really still self-explanatory. I'm telling you what I'm doing with my hair now, but I just keep my hair in this type of style. I really need to mix up that middle part because I don't want my hair to get used to being in that middle part. But you guys, this is my wash and go. Like, I do this style all the time. I wash my hair, all the steps that you guys see me take. I don't do all of those steps every single time because it's a lot of work. But and it's very time consuming, especially when I'm recording. It's very time consuming. But what I do is just, my hair is soaking wet right now. I am going to seal some of that in with some more oil, you guys. Don't tell me no oils, no butters here, because your girl is going to be on the oils and butters forever, for life. It's just, you're not getting away from it here. Once again, my background is messed up. So what? So what I like to do is seal all of that in. You guys see I didn't use no gels. I like to lock in all of that moisture and tame the flyaways by simply putting on my head wrap with on soaking wet hair. And then that's what gives me the gel look. That's what gives me the ocean sick waves. And this is probably like 5 o'clock in the afternoon. And then I will leave my head wrap on the entire day, sleep with my hair like this, and then wake up the next morning and take my head wrap off, and my hair is completely flat. You would have thought that I put some type of gel or something on my hair, but I didn't. This is how I literally lay my hair down every single time. So you guys, this is how much shed hair I lost out of this one little pass or this one wash day. Like I said before, you guys, I used to lose a lot more. In the other video, I showed you guys how much hair, the comparison. That's how much hair I lost in the shower, and then the dry hair is how much I lost before I started actually finger detangling my hair wet. So it's getting a lot better, you guys. So much better. So now here's the next day. I like to have this gray cap on my head to conceal my head rag. I can walk around outside if I need to, and you won't even know that I'm still trying to set my hair. But this is the final result. I do not slay my edges. I do not do anything else to my hair. As you can see, my bun is still wet. My background is still messed up. So what? So yeah, you guys, this is the end result. Like I said, my bun on the outside dried up, but the inside of it is still wet. But yeah, guys, this is no gel. This is my leave-in conditioner, so I can't tell you like, hey, go grab this conditioner. But I know Mane and Tail does the same thing. But you guys, this is the end result, and I'm gonna stop rambling now. And thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.